Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Elite strap on the Quest 2. So we're just going to get this out of my nice travel case. And you can check out my review of the channel case in the title card. It's appearing somewhere up here. But the Elite strap's already installed for me, but I will be
so when you get your Quest
showing you
to Elite strap,
install it.
This is what it will look like on. So nice. This does make the whole thing a lot more comfy, especially this rubber bit at the back. So what you want to kind of gently do with your other strap is just peel these wee bits off at the side here. Take it nice and easy, and then what you want to do is pull this bit out here gently, and you would want to take your head strap bit and feed it through a bit there. And what you want to do with that is just gently. If I accidentally go out of frame, I apologise, but you get what I'm doing. So that's that installed. I'm just going to reinstall my lens protector to try and best protect these lenses. And what you next want to do is get your Elite strap with either the battery or not, put it the right way up, and what you want to do now is just kind of click it over. So I'm going to try and balance it here just to make it a wee bit easier so it's not flapping around the place. And you just want to click it gently in place there and flip it over. And pretty much do the same thing. I find it a wee bit easier sometimes just clicking the far away one on first, and then it's just about being gentle. There we go. It was just misaligned there. So what I like to do is I just like to press it there, and then what you want to do next is kind of just adjust your head strap. Now to adjust your head strap, you just want to open this up as far as it goes. I'm just going to leave the eye protector in, or actually I'll probably take it out just to make it as much realistic as possible. And then what you want to do is obviously make sure you can read, nothing's blurry, and it's pretty much fine for me, I would say. And you just want to make sure that is tight. I can read, nothing's blurry, everything is fine. Perfect. If you do like this video, please give the thumbs up, hit that comment section down below. I always get back to people who comment, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.